Hello everybody, this is Jonathan, and basically in this video I'm going to show you guys how to use DeskCalc in Haiku. So basically DeskCalc is a simple and free and beautiful software which will allow you to use a calculator in Haiku. So it's basically just a simple calculator which has three modes to it. It has compact, basic and scientific. So in this video I'll show you guys how to switch from different modes, but I will only go through the basic mode in this tutorial, but it should basically be the same for scientific compact. I just want to keep this video kind of simple and easy to learn. I want to keep it user friendly. So this is why I'm not going to go for scientific and I'm not going to go for compact, but in this video I'll only go for basic. Okay, so let's get started. So to get started, all guys want to do is click onto the where we see that feather, and then once I've clicked onto the feather, now we should see applications, our wonderful, amazing applications. Now if I want to click onto DeskCalc, because that's the name of a calculator software. So now click onto it, and now we should see an interface like this. So basically, where we see this white area, this is where our numbers and symbols will go. For example, if we click onto 7, then 7 will be displayed. If we click onto 9, then 9 will be displayed. And if we click onto times, then times will be displayed. And if we do 6, then 6 will be displayed. And if we do plus 3, then plus 3 will be displayed. And now we can click onto equals, and all that equals will do is calculate it. So for example, it'll be 477. I'm going to show you guys like 3 more times on how to do it, so you guys will understand how it works. So if I want to basically this time add two numbers together, all guys will need to do is click onto 5, plus, now click onto plus, and now we can do 2. So now that equals to 7, our wonderful 7. And now if I want to divide two numbers together, what you guys can do is 9 divided by 3, and that would basically divide the new two numbers together. Now click onto equals, and now it equals to 3. We can also do the same for minus. So if you click onto 6, and now if you click onto minus, and if you click onto 3, then out will equal to 3, as you guys can see. Now I want to talk more about the brackets. So basically for brackets, as you guys can see over here, so basically everything that goes in the brackets will be calculated first. So for example, if you have 1 plus, and then if you decide to have 2 plus 2, then you guys will need to calculate what's inside a bracket first. So that equals to 4, and that equals to 5. So the answer will be 5, because the brackets will be added up first, or be calculated first, and then whatever outside of the brackets will then be calculated. So that equals to 5, as you guys can see. If we need to calculate some decimal numbers, such as 2.3 or 2.5 or 5.2, then you guys can indeed also do that by clicking onto 5.2. And you can also click onto plus, and we can also do 2.3, and that will equals to around 7.5, as you guys can see. So that is awesome. So yeah, this is basically how guys will be able to use the basic view. So yeah, this is basically how to use the calculator. If you guys want to switch mode, then you guys can indeed do so. To switch a mode, just click onto Alt, and now if you click onto Alt 2, then that should basically change your scientific calculator, which is what I'm not going to go through in this tutorial, because I want to keep it simple, but it's basically the same thing. Just click onto what option you want to click onto, and then the calculation will be showed up here, and the answer will be showed up in this white text area. Now if I want to do Alt 0, then this will be it will only show up this view of this text area, where we can just use a keyboard and just type down some answers, and then we just press on to enter, and then that will just calculate for the numbers. So for example, if I had 12 and want to add like 2 to it, then I would give you 14, and if I press on to enter, then indeed it does give you 14. So just some very minimal view of the DeskCalc application. But so far I'm going to go back to a basic view, because I don't need to go to scientific, and I want to keep it user friendly. So this is how you guys will be able to use the software. So I hope that guys really did find this video very useful. It is very simple calculator. You guys will be able to figure out very quickly how to use it, as it's just clicking on a few buttons. But anyway, I hope this video anyway helped you guys, and I hope to see you guys in the next episode. Bye bye.